Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the template that AutoCAD has for you. In short, the title block. AutoCAD has some title blocks which you can just using for a job, so you don't have to make them for like that. But unless if you are told in school to make a title block, you can make. But AutoCAD has some title blocks which you can be using for your plans. So let's get into the video. Let me show you. So you have to click here on the blank space. Just right click, then go on form template. There are some. These are the types of title blocks which are there. For example, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, you can go through them, then can be going with which one you like. Personally, I go with this one, so you can go on there, then go on open. So, and okay, we are going to print this drawing on the title block. So after I've done that, you can go there on this size layout like that. You're going to find your title block over there. Then after that, since we want to put our drawing here, we can go there on layout. So after I go on layout, go on rectangular. After I go on rectangular, it will be like that. So you can zoom in if you want. So this is where I want my drawing to be, so I'll just click there and it will be like that. So up to there, you see, that's our drawing. So we can print this one out again. We can print it out. Let's go there. Let me show you how it will look. Then go and continue. Go on. There we go in GWD to PDF like that. You select the type of paper which you want. A4. I want an A4. Okay. Yeah, I want this one, an A4 like that. Then fit to paper. Okay, then I'll just go on okay and save like that. So I have plotted my drawing, and I've used a title block. Let me just show you how it will look. Voila, there you go. You see, I have plotted the drawing on the title block. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a good day. You can also do this same thing in black and white. I showed you can plot in and how to plot in black and white. You can just do the same procedure. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.